What's going on guys, welcome to Gizmodeck, and in this video I'm going to give you an overview on the Micromax Canvas 4. So the Canvas 4 was recently launched by Micromax at a price of about 18,000 rupees. It is a successor to the Micromax Canvas HD. The Micromax Canvas 4 and the Micromax Canvas HD have the same hardware, but the difference lies in the build quality as well as in the cameras. So let's talk about the build quality of the Micromax Canvas 4 first. On the front we have a 5-inch 1280 by 720p display with a PPI of around 290. On the top we have a few sensors along with an earpiece as well as a 5 megapixel front facing camera which is capable of full HD video. On the bottom we have the 3 buttons for a home option as well as a back button. So this is about the front of the phone. On the sides we have the volume rocker as well as the power button. On the top we have the 3.5mm headphone jack, and on the bottom we have the primary microphone as well as a micro USB port for charging and data syncing. On the sides we have a brushed aluminum finish which looks very nice on the phone, and when you look this phone from a distance you will mistake it for a Galaxy S4 until you notice that there is no physical home button here. On the back of the device we have the 13 megapixel camera capable of full HD recording. We also have a single LED flash along with a secondary noise cancellation microphone. And then at the bottom we have a mono speaker. So the Canvas 4 comes with 16GB of internal storage, out of which 10GB is user accessible. The back of the phone is removable and is made up of plastic. So inside the Canvas 4 we have two normal SIM card slots which one supports 3G and the other one is 2G. We also have an expandable memory slot which I believe is up to 64GB. And then we have the 2000 mAh battery which should provide enough battery life on this device. So let us talk about the software of the phone now. So out of the box, Micromax Canvas 4 runs on Android 4.2.1 Jelly Bean. So let's jump into About Phone first. And as you can see, we have the model number A210 and the Android version is 4.2.1. Since we are running on Android 4.2.1, we will have all the Android 4.2.1 features like widgets on the lock screen and quick toggles, etc. There are many pre-installed apps by Micromax inside this phone. So we have M Security, we also have M Live app, M Unlock, and then we also have M Zone. So many Micromax apps here. We also have some other apps like Opera Mini, Need for Speed Shift, etc. So I have installed a few games on this and I will be posting a gaming test of this phone soon. So Micromax Canvas 4 is also full of gimmicky features, one of which is blow to unlock or shake to unlock. So if I tap this lock now, the air blow or shake unlocker is activated. So now if I shake the phone, it will get unlocked. You can also blow air into the phone to get it unlocked. So this is a gimmicky feature by Micromax and I don't find myself using it every day. The screen on the phone I guess is an LCD screen and it is very reflective, so I will have to test it in daylight and see if the visibility is good or not. And I will also be posting a full review video after using this phone for about 7 to 8 days. I will post the camera test, the gaming test. I will also do a comparison with the Gionee eLife E5 which I have for review now. So both of these phones are selling at about 18,000 rupees in the Indian market. So I will give a fair comparison of both of these phones. So I hope you subscribe to my channel for more videos on both of these, and you can also hit the like button if you like this video. You can also drop in your questions as well as your views in the comment section. So thank you for watching guys, be sure to be subscribed.